Welcome to Stunt Lab. This is the shortest ratchet we have, and we'll be doing a 2-to-1, which is a 6-foot lift today. And we're going to talk about torque multiplication, which happens when you start using machinery to do pulls, and how to minimize your torque multiplication, and what are the factors that cause torque multiplication so that you're aware of them.
At 500.
2, 1, action! One, action!
Every different situation is going to be different. So as far as the structure is inside of it and everything like that, when you're doing the rigs, you've got to be 100% confident. If you're not 100% confident, then you've got to ask somebody that knows what's going on. You know, is this okay? Is this rigged the right way? How do I secure this? How do I make sure that this is 100% so that we can go ahead and get done what it is we need to get done? Every single situation is going to be different. You're going to walk into a studio lot, you know, into one of the stages, and yeah, they got great stuff to rig off of. And then the next project's going to be an independent project, and you're going to end up in a warehouse that's got a whole different type of truss system, and you can't rig it the same way because that truss system may not be secure in a direction that you want to pull. So you've got to find a way to tie it back, and you've got to know how you can tie it back and make it secure, and whether you've got to tie several in a row back together just to get the security you need up front for a mechanical pull. So all of those things have always got to be considered. If you're not 100% sure, you make sure that you get who you need to say that yes, that'll work that way and that's okay that way. All right.
When we're doing ratchets this way, if we lose a cable or if a hard tie pulls out, pretty much the person just kind of loses horsepower and falls to the ground. When we start doing vertical ratchets, we have the person completely exposed. So we want to really be on our toes because we honestly don't know the torques. We don't know what kind of slack we might get in. So I always try to be really on my toes, have everything really spot on when we start doing vertical ratchets like this.